Hey everyone, in this video we'll show you how to integrate PhonePe Payment Gateway's standard checkout API via Postman. This will help you understand how the API works and how to make requests before integrating it to your website. Let's get started. Step 1. Access PhonePe Payment Gateway Developer Documentation. Visit the official PhonePe Developer Documentation. You will find the link in the description below. This is where you will find everything you need: API endpoints, headers, sample requests, and responses. Step 2. Copy the API endpoint and open Postman. Once you're on the documentation page, locate the API endpoint for the Pay API. Copy the entire URL and paste it into Postman. We will use Postman to send the request to PhonePe's server. Step 3. Set the request headers and prepare the request body. Now let's configure the headers. Go back to the documentation and find the required headers and their values. Next, let's prepare the API request body. This is where you will define all the necessary parameters. One key thing to note here is the redirect URL. This is the page where your customer will be sent after completing the payment. Make sure you set this URL properly for a smooth transition. Step 4. Send the request and retrieve the response. Now hit send in Postman to make the API request. When you get the response, you will see the PhonePe order ID, the expiration time of the order, and most importantly, the redirect URL where the customer will be sent to complete the payment. Step 5. Test your checkout page and verify payment completion. To check if your checkout page is working properly, choose any payment method and complete a test transactions on your checkout page. After the payment, both the tester and your merchant will be redirected to the URL you set earlier, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience. And that's it. You have successfully tested PhonePe PG's standard checkout API using Postman. This helps you understand how the API works before integrating it into your website. If you run into any issues, refer to the developer documentation, reach out to your integration point of contact, or use the PhonePe PG dashboard to reach out to us. Thanks for watching.